So I acquired these antique shoes. I'd guess they're at least 80 years old. The buckle seems to have been added, although at some point these weird clogs, because they do have a wooden sole with horseshoes, they all seem to have been buckled originally. So somebody who was familiar with that, I guess, replaced the laces with these black lacquered buckles. Now, they're comfortable just with them existing on my feet, but to walk, it's weird. It really changes the way I walk, and that's not surprising. I'm literally walking on horseshoes and wood, very thick wood. So now we're going to test and see what they sound like on different materials so we have an idea of what the Victorian workers might have sounded like, because these are a working class shoe. So here we have them on grass, and now on gravel. Now I don't have cobblestones to test them on. Cement existed at some point in the Victorian era, but we can imagine on cobblestones they don't sound much different. And finally, here is some actual Victorian flooring from our 1856 cabin. Now, it would be a little bit louder, I'm sure, because, I'm walking on soft grass underneath this. So we'll test it on some modern wood in a moment. But it's probably been a good 100 years since this flooring has been walked on with period-style shoes, on account of the fact that they covered over the flooring in 1926 to 1928 in this house with more flooring. But I suppose we can't forget about the dirt. Or maybe a kitty. Yeah, you better run. I'm kidding, I would never hurt her. Yep, not gonna try that. And I guess finally we'll finish with linoleum. Though I really doubt that they would have worn these on carpet. But here it is anyway. So there we have it. Victorian shoes and what they would have sounded like.